Alright, in order to add some detail work to it, I'm simply going to click on this fillet tool, and it will allow you to select basically different edges. So we've got an edge here, we've got an edge here, we've also got this edge where the cylinder connects to the face of that object. I'm going to click on that, and that allows me to give it this gradual inclination up to that cylinder. So instead of being really severe, it slowly curves up so that that cylinder looks like it's rising out of the face. I'm going to reduce it a little bit, just change it to a number 1, click OK, and you see the difference that makes. I'm going to click on fillet, I'm going to click on this top edge here, and that takes away that edge, gives me a nice rounded top to that cylinder. I'm going to see if I can get this rotated in a way that I'm just clicking on my view cube, looking for an angle that I like. This looks like a good spot. I'm going to fillet this corner here. I'm going to make it a little larger. Instead of 1, I'll make it 2. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to fillet, so I got to come back up there, highlight that. Keep it at a 2, click OK, and then I'm going to chamfer, so make it a straight edge on this corner. So chamfer, whoops. Somehow I have highlighted this corner down here. I'm going to undo that and fillet that again. I'm going to click OK. Alright, now I'm in a better spot. Now I'm going to chamfer this edge right here and have it a nice sharp angle instead of rounded. I'm going to say OK. If I use this rotate button over here, I can rotate my object and examine it from all kinds of different angles easily, instead of using the view cube. I can simply use that free orbit tool to rotate my object and make sure it looks how I want it to look. I think it's good. I'm ready to save it and upload it to my Canvas assignment. I simply come up here to the big orange eye, I click on that, I do save as, I make sure this says desktop. I could send it to loc user, I could send it to the computer, I could send it to recent items. I want to put it on the desktop, and I want to give it a name that I will recognize. Osborne 3D model, and then I'm going to hit save. Notice it is saving it as an IPT. It is a part file. So remember, we need to know the difference between IPTs, IAMs, and IDWs. Part files are IPTs. So it's ready to go. It's on the desktop. It has my name, and it's an IPT. I simply hit save. I can close Autodesk, and there is my part file, Osborne 3D model. If I double click on it, it will open up. Autodesk automatically launches, and there is my part file. I can make even more changes to it and edit it since I have it saved. You have to put it on the desktop, and then you have to submit it to Canvas. Thank you, and good job.